Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our today's biology class. Today, students, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 5 of your book Fungi and Algae. Fungi. Fungi are a group of living organisms having a body called mycelium made up of hyphae which are cenocytic, multinucleated, non-chlorophyllous and have a cell wall of fungal cellulose. In this paragraph, it is explained that fungi are living organisms. They possess all characters like all other living organisms have, like they grow, they need food, they reproduce, and have all other characters like other living organisms have. Fungus body is called mycelium, which is made up of thread-like tubular structures called hyphae. Hyphae are cenocytic, means multinucleated. Their body is made up of many nucleuses. Fungus are non-chlorophyllous, means they are not able to prepare their own food, and the cell wall is made up of fungal cellulose, that is chitin. Genic characters. According to the old concept, fungi were considered as plants and placed in Thallophyta, but now they have been assigned a separate kingdom, the fungi. Means previously fungi were considered as plants because they possess some characters that plants have, like they have cell wall, they are non-motile, they do not have centrioles. These all characters are present in plants, but fungi also have some characters that animals have, like they are heterotrophic, means they are not able to prepare their own food. They do not have chlorophyll, so they are not able to prepare their own food. These characters were present in animals, so this made scientists to place fungi under another kingdom, that is kingdom fungi. Now we are going to discuss about the main characters. They are non-chlorophyllous, means they do not have chlorophyll, so they are not able to prepare their own food. Cell wall is made up of fungal cellulose. Fungi cell wall is made up of fungal cellulose, that is chitin. They are cenocytic, means multinucleated. They have many nucleus in their body. Fungal body is called mycelium, which is made up of thread-like cells called hyphae. The whole fungal body is called mycelium, and it is made by a number of thread-like cells called hyphae. The reserve food is in the form of glycogen particles and oil globules. The reserve food means they store food in the form of glycogen particles and oil globules. They reproduce asexually by means of spores or by budding or by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction is in which only one parent is involved, and fungi reproduce by means of spores, means spores are produced and these spores developed into another fungi by budding. In budding, from parent body, buds start to grow or outgrowth begins to grow, and this bud after maturation separate from the parent's body. Fragmentation in which a parent divides into other cells, and each cell or each body divides and becomes an individual fungi itself. Sexually, they reproduce by means of conjugation, isogamy. Sexual reproduction in which both male and female are involved in the reproduction, and fungi reproduce by conjugation, in which conjugation is a reproduction in which genetic material is exchanged. The mode of nutrition may be saprophytic, parasitic or symbiotic. Mode of nutrition, how they feed. Saprophytic means it depends on dead bodies. Parasitic means it depends on other living organism, in which the fungi gets benefits while the other living organisms have harmful effects. Symbiotic, in which both living organisms have benefit. There are two views about their origin. Either they have evolved from alga or other unflagellate protozoa. The fungi are distinguished among themselves primarily on their sexual reproductive structures, means they are classified into separate classes on the basis of their reproductive structures, how they reproduce. Common examples are yeast, agaricus, penicillium, rhizopus, etc. Agaricus mushroom. Some species of agaricus are commonly cultivated as food. For example, the button mushroom, Agaricus campestris. An effort is being made to increase the cultivation of additional species of mushrooms, especially in Asia. Some can be grown on waste products. Many have a high protein content as well as a delicate flavor. It is explained Agaricus, which is commonly called mushroom, are commonly cultivated for food, and the most common species which is used for food is Agaricus campestris, which is commonly called button mushroom. These, this species, button mushroom, is commonly cultivated in Asia. They can also be grown on waste products. Agaricus campestris have high protein content as well as they give delicate flavor. Penicillium. Among the other economically important fungi, Penicillium is one of the name. Some species of Penicillium are source of the well-known antibiotic penicillin. Other species of the genus give the characteristic flavors and aromas to cheese. Penicillium. It is explained penicillium is another type of fungi which is most importantly used for making of antibiotic penicillin. Other species of penicillium are used to give flavor and aromas, means smell to cheese. Ustilago. Another kind of fungi, including Ustilago, are responsible for the rust and smut disease of the cereal. Ustilago, which is also another type of fungi, is responsible for causing disease in cereals, means grains like wheat, rice, and this disease of the rust and smut means they cause disease which can cause rust and smut in grains. Importance of fungi. Food. A number of eatable fungi in the form of mushrooms are a source of nourishing and delicious food dishes. Today they are grown as a crop in many places throughout the world, but one must bear in mind that not all the mushrooms are eatable. Some of them are poisonous and popularly called as toadstool or death stool. Yeast, another kind of fungi, are utilized in baking industry. Others are used in brewing and in cheese and organic acid producing industries. The first use of fungi. Food. Many fungi are eatable, means they can be used for eating, and they give nourishing and delicious food. But we must all know that not all species or of mushrooms are eatable. Some can be poisonous, which are commonly called toadstool or death stool because they can cause death. Yeast, which is another kind of fungi, is used in baking industry. Means when you are baking cakes, pizza, this is yeast which is used. Other types of fungi are used in brewing, means in making beverages, and in cheese. Medicine. Fungi have opened a new field in medicine, being the course of antibiotic like penicillin, chloromycetin, neomycin, terramycin. Means fungi are responsible for many medicines, means they can be used for making many medicines like penicillin, chloromycetin, neomycin, terramycin. Soil fertility. They maintain soil fertility by decomposing the dead organic matter, means they can be used to make soil fertile. Fermentation. The property of fermentation is utilized for manufacturing of ethanol, organic acids and alcohol beverages. Saccharomyces cerevisiae brews yeast synthesize a range of vitamins of B complex. Means fungi can be used in fermentation, and this is used for making ethanol, organic acids, alcoholic beverages. Soil is now we are going to do the harmful effects of fungi. Food spoilage. Fungi are also responsible for spoiling food, and many saprophytic fungi are responsible for doing this. Saprophytic fungi are those which feed on dead organisms. Human diseases. Fungi is also responsible for causing human diseases like aspergillosis, which is a disease where you have fungal infection in your ear and lungs. Moniariasis, you have a fungal infection in your skin, mouth, gums. Ringworm disease. Ringworm disease you have already studied. I'll review it. You have a fungal infection in a form of ring over your skin. Plant disease. Fungi is also responsible for many diseases in plants. Some common ones are loose smut of wheat, late blight potato. Rust and smut is also responsible for causing destruction over a large area. Spoilage. Many types of fungi are responsible for spoiling leather, goods, wood, books, timber, cotton, etc. You must have seen that over a tree bark there is a fungal infection on the wood. This is harmful effects of fungi.